Nourishment Part 1 only covered 3 days of the season. So what happened with the rest of the season? I'm sure you all are wondering. I was seeing lots of deer, but nothing would come in range. With the leaves gone and the rut starting to kick in, they just weren't as patternable as they were in the early part of the season. And to top it off, the pumpkin army was on its way. Unfortunately, without filling my bow tag, I really had no other choice but to pick up a rifle and hunt during Maryland's rifle season. Now the trick would be finding deer with antlers during a buck-only season. Seeing as how I'd only seen a handful of bucks throughout the entire first part of the season, I knew I was going to be up for a challenge. On the first day I was able to hunt, which also happened to be the first Sunday in Maryland history that you could hunt on public land. It started off kind of slow. Saw 2 does right around 7 o'clock in the morning, and then I moved to my location, and it was just a very slow morning. But then, just like a ghost, appeared a deer. Just a lone doe. She was being followed. I heard another deer up the hill from where she came. He let out a soft grunt, and I knew the game was on. It was a buck. Being that the rut was still in, he followed her like he was on a chain. He stopped broadside right at about 50 yards, and I wasn't going to let him come any closer. And just like that, my tag was filled and my freezers were no longer going to be empty. I had officially accomplished my goal and provided nourishment. I gave thanks for the opportunity and took photographs to remember the achievement. And then, of course, to celebrate nourishment, we had one heck of a good meal.